Another day, another story. Here are some general tips for creating a successful OnlyFans account. 1. Choose a unique and eye-catching username. 2. Create a clear and attractive profile picture. 3. Write a detailed and engaging bio. 4. Decide on your niche and stick to it. 5. Regularly post exclusive content for your subscribers. 6. Interact with your subscribers through messages and comments. 7. Use hashtags to increase your visibility on the platform. 8. Offer special promotions or discounts to new subscribers. 9. Use high-quality images and videos. 10. Experiment with different types of content. 11. Offer a variety of subscription options and prices. 12. Consistently promote your OnlyFans on social media. 13. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. 14. Engage with your audience through polls, surveys, and Q&A sessions. 15. Utilize the pay-per-view feature for extra exclusive content. 16. Make use of the tip feature to increase earnings. 17. Set clear boundaries and communicate them with your subscribers. 18. Be authentic and true to yourself. 19. Offer personalized content for your subscribers. 20. Collaborate with other creators to increase your exposure. 21. Share behind-the-scenes footage or images. 22. Offer fan shoutouts for subscribers. 23. Use the pinned post feature to promote your latest content or deals. 24. Offer special services or products for purchase. 25. Offer special content for holidays or special events. 26. Make use of the subscription bundle feature to offer special deals. 27. Use humor and creativity in your content. 28. Use other platforms to drive traffic to your OnlyFans. 29. Offer sneak peeks of upcoming content. 30. Use teasing and anticipation to keep subscribers engaged. 31. Create a consistent posting schedule. 32. Use captions to provide context for your content. 33. Use call to actions in your posts to encourage engagement. 34. Use lighting and angles to enhance your content. 35. Use audio and music to enhance your content. 36. Make use of filters and effects to enhance your content. 37. Use polls and surveys to gather feedback from your subscribers. 38. Make use of the paid message feature to offer personalized content or services. 39. Offer a free trial period for new subscribers. 40. Use analytics to track your performance and adjust accordingly. 41. Make use of the OnlyFans referral program to earn extra income. 42. Offer fan requests for subscribers. 43. Use fan feedback to improve your content. 44. Use a variety of platforms to promote your OnlyFans. 45. Offer special deals for long-term subscribers. 46. Use the voice message feature to connect with your subscribers. 47. Offer custom content for subscribers. 48. Use the OnlyFans Live feature to interact with your subscribers in real time. 49. Make use of the comments feature to encourage engagement. 50. Above all, respect your subscribers and communicate with them openly and honestly. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe and share this video.